This video will demonstrate how to add a note to a survey geodatabase. We use notes to capture little bits of information that may be useful to analysts or field crews in the future. And good examples include notes about processing details, anecdotal comments, or field-related specifics. And so we'll do a couple of notes just as some examples. Let's say I had trouble digitizing Unit 5 down here near the island. I could just go up to the QA Tools menu, select Add a Note to the Geodatabase, and then type my note. And then hit OK. And this will save the note to the geodatabase that we can go and look at later. You can add as many notes as you'd like. So we're going to add one more. And this one will maybe be a little bit more specific. So let's say we did some code swapping. And for whatever reason we didn't have time to go back and update this in our DXF file. So we can at least make a note of it in case it causes us issues down the road. And it's also sometimes nice to put the initials of the person who is doing the note-taking in the notes as well. Notes do need to stay under 1,000 characters, so it's probably better to do more notes that are shorter than lots of notes in the same space. And finally, another kind of note that we might want to add is some field-based notes that maybe didn't get captured in the data logger. So that would be on this survey, you can still see down here that the benchmarks are really close together, and so the control network might need to be expanded. And crew leads may want to direct crews to add specific notes of some kind, but there really aren't any rules about how or what kind of note should be added. It's just for useful information down the road. Now we'll quickly go and look at where those notes show up. So if we go into our geodatabase, there's a log table that we can add. And if we go and open up the log table, you can see that the messages that are added here are the ones that we just added as some user notes. So if you just want to remind yourself of something, then you could also make that note here as well.